So I waited almost a whole year to finally buy the learning palette. I don't know why it took me so long. I don't know. I was skeptical about it. But the end of my daughter's kindergarten school year was coming to a close. Well, if it was the end, it was coming to a close anyway. And I had a bunch of rewards, so I decided, heck, let's do it and let's keep her learning in a fun way through the summer to keep up on everything she learned through the school year. And so I bought the kindergarten math pack, the whole pack, and then I bought a few of the reading ones. And even my 3-year-old son can do the palette on his own and some of the early math matching on his own. So I couldn't be happier. Look at him getting a little teary because my kids are sitting at the table. Now don't mind the Nutella face on my son. Hashtag real life. They're sitting down after dinner and they're doing the learning palette. Look at, I'm getting a little teary. It's so ridiculous. It's wonderful to see your kids learning and doing it voluntarily. So the palette is self-correcting. I am gonna do a review on it when I can get myself together and slap some makeup on. But I just thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how wonderful this is for kids. And it's not just kindergarten. You can get 1st grade level, 2nd grade level, 3rd grade level. I don't know what level it goes through. I have to look that up. But I will be shouting it from the rooftops that the Usborne Learning Palette is awesome, especially for summer. So take a look at what went down at our dinner table tonight, the very first time we opened the learning palette.
Scissors. Scissors. What's scissors? Scissors. Oh, scissors. What? No. Toes?
Right, toe. Because it's only S, M, and T.
Toes. Mailbox. Saw.
Good job.
Moon. And turtle. Turtle. And last one. Which one? I didn't do two.
In this quadrant.
Oh.
What's
So
that?
it's tiger.
Yeah. Now watch this. You ready to see if you got it right? You're gonna take this.
Flip it over.
You're gonna flip it over.
I got it right.
And then you're gonna match. And look at, see that means the whole. Maisie, you got them all right. Good job.
This is easy. Let's try that one.
You wanna do the next one?
No, I want to try.
All right, you can do it too. String of numbers in order. And you have
like
to.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. What does the purple represent?
1, 2. It's
Okay.
2.
So where's the purple solid?
No.
It's okay, he can look at them. All right.
3.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Purple. 5, 15, 16, 17. 17. Yeah.
Turn it over.
La, 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 la. Yep. Yay, got it. It's my turn.
Okay.
You did it for a while. It's my turn. Horses. Seriously? Banana. You know what bananas look like, right? Yeah, we're here. Hey, you won. Now it's one. Wait. That's the crayons. Now where's the crayons? Crayons. Hey. Which one? Whoa. Circle, so it's up here. Those? Now where does it match those? Hats. Now where's the hats? Over here. Over here. Yellow. Which one? The spider. Now where's the spider up here? This one. Okay. Which one? There's two. I'm going to do two. Where is it? There it is. The keys? Now where's the key thing? Over here. And now you know where that one goes.
What are they?
Bells. Let's see if you are right. Yep, you're right.
Maybe so smart.
Now I want to do this one. Which paintbrush? Yep. You choose any one. Purple. Okay. Now where's the purple down here somewhere? Nope. Are you struggling? Yeah.
Did you just say, are you struggling?
Yeah.
Good word.
Where's it? Has a little. It doesn't. It is. Yep. Now where is it down here? Yeah. Yellow. Yellow. Where do you want to put it? Where's it supposed to be? Here. Now put it in there. Now you know where green goes because it's the last spot. It's down here. Yep.
All right. Now what are you gonna do? Check and see if you're right. You ready, Madden?
Yep. You're right.
Do they match?
Let's see, yep. No, I want yep, 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 yep.
Yay!
Okay, let me do it again.
You want to do a different one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Wood? Yeah, where? Does it have a dot in it? Yep. Okay, now put it where the red paintbrush is. Yeah? Next color, which one? Which color do you want? Which color? Blue? What kinds?
There it is,
Now
yeah.
where's the blue paintbrush? Down here. Okay. Is it that one? Yep. Or that one? Yeah.
Maisie, good teaching.
Which
Good
one?
job, bud.
Which one? Do you want to do yellow?
Yes, I want
Which
yellow.
one? Now where's the green paintbrush? Up here.
I found it.
Good job, bud.
Okay. Which orange? Now where's the orange paintbrush?
With the circle in it.
Yeah. It's up here somewhere. Yeah.
Good job. Madden, good job. He's actually doing it.
Okay, now we're just going to do this side. Okay?
Yay.
Because all these
Now
are
if you
blocks.
could just actually pee on the potty. Was there a learning palette for that?